Car started. Yeah! So that's covered. Yes. Okay. Connect. Okay, so for this I'm gonna try TBD. It's again, it's a 2016 Insignia, and I've checked on wiki keys. That's the first thing to do. Check on wiki keys. If that's there, it does it. Well, at least that's what it says. And that's there. That's Insignia. Pin code reading. Yeah. 2009 to 17. Yep. BCM and instrument cluster, so everything is there. I'm just doing this outside the car because the alarm is gonna be on and it's gonna be difficult to explain, but let's see how it goes. Yeah. Yep. Vauxhall. Insignia. Pin extraction. 16. BCM. I don't care. Okay. on. Still waiting. I'm gonna put the booster on. And we have a pin. Okay. I'm gonna take a picture of that. Hey, no. Oh, look at that. So it's 2756. Shit. 2756. Two seven five six. The shit. 2756. 2756. Okay. Okay, so the pin is done. Exit. Coding 16. Immobilizer fine 5. Part number, okay. Read codes, clear codes, count keys, has 2 keys, okay. Program key, add new key. Add new key. Insert the key to be programmed, switch ignition to on, yes. Enter the pin. 2756. 2 7 5 6. Okay. Security access countdown 10 minutes. Okay, see you later. Meantime, I've put my strong cables on. See you in 6 minutes, in 10 minutes, sorry. Switch ignition off. Okay, open and close the door. Okay, waiting for security access. Switch ignition on. Free keys programmed. Woohoo! That's done. That's covered. Okay. Additional key. I don't know. I have to check. Okay, so the customer said just one key. Switch ignition off. Okay. Remove the key from the ignition. Okay. Open and close the door. Okay. Security. Oh, why? Oh, it thinks you. I want the second key. I don't. No. This one works fine. Car started. Yeah! So that's covered. Yes. Escape. Done.